Hello children. Children, last week I have taken revision test of workbook exercises of lesson number 2, 11 and 12 of English 2. I hope you all have learnt the workbook exercises and gave the test to your parents and got it checked also. So this week I told you that there will be revision test of lesson number 10, the adverb of English 1. So let's start with this test. This test is of 30 marks. Question number 1 is define adverb. Full stop. Give examples. Define adverb. Full stop. Give examples. This question is of 10 marks. And children, in exams also this definition comes of 10 marks. So better learn the definitions whichever I made you write in your English 1 copies. Better learn those definitions properly so that you don't lose even a single mark in the definition. Now let's move on to question number 2. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences, comma, and name the verb with which each is used. I will repeat the question. Pick out the adverbs in the following sentences, comma, and name the verb with which each is used. Children, this question has 10 parts and each part is of 2 marks. So this question is of 20 marks. Let's start with A part. The woman spoke loudly. The woman spoke loudly. Now here children, when I explained you this lesson, I told you how you have to write the answers. Means you have to write the word which is an adverb. You will write adverb first and then in front of that you will write the word which is an adverb. And then below that you will write verb and in front of verb you will write the word which is the verb in the sentence. Next is number B. The horse galloped fast. The horse galloped fast. Once again children, I will tell you about this question that you have to write in this verb as well as adverb. Both you have to write. If in the question it is asked underline only adverb, then you will write only adverb. And if it is asked that you have to write both verb as well as adverb, so what you will do is first you write adverb. The word adverb you will write adverb, then in front of that you will write the word which is an adverb in the sentence. And below that you will write verb verb and in front of verb you will write the word which is a verb in the sentence. I hope you all are clear. Then next C part is my uncle lives here. My uncle lives here. D part is the old farmer works hard. The old farmer works hard. E part is you must go to bed early. You must go to bed early. F part is the play will begin now. The play will begin now. Then G part is the peacock danced beautifully. The peacock danced beautifully. Then H part is I feel tired today. I feel tired today. Then I part is the elephant walked slowly. The elephant walked slowly. And the last J part is you have answered the questions correctly. You have answered the questions correctly. I will show you these questions once again. Go through the questions properly and then write the answers carefully. And after writing the answers, get it checked from your parents. And then if any mistakes are there, revise the lesson once again and then write the mistakes 5 times each. Now children, your homework for next week is that there will be a revision test of lesson number 12, the preposition. Next week, there will be a revision test of lesson number 12, the preposition from the book as well as from the copy. So this was all there for today. Thank you.